Hello everyone, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY, back for my next Just One Craft project video. We are now moving into Valentine's. We're going to make something really cute with some scrapbook paper, this shiplap heart from Dollar Tree, and also this hanging wood ornament from Dollar Tree. We're going to use one section of it. So I am choosing 2 scrapbook papers from my stash, and you can see I'm using my fingernail there to kind of measure out how big each strip should be. I'm going to do this floral one from Hobby Lobby in the middle and on the 2 sides. Next, I'm going to take this really pretty pink one that matches some of the florals. It's got a little white dot, and I'm going to do the other 2 strips with this paper. Now you could totally leave the unpainted beads that are on this hanger already. I want to add some colored beads to mine, or you could paint them. So I'm just gonna take the staples and wedge under there a little bit so that I can get this strand out, and this can also lay flat. So using some matte finish Mod Podge, I'm going to brush that on each section, spritz a little bit of water on the back of my paper strip, and lay that down, smoothing it out to remove any bubbles. And while I'm letting those 3 strips dry, I'm going to remove, like I said, those natural wood beads off of the hanger that came on the sign, and I am going to add some black beads. Now this wood heart that has love in the middle, this came on a hanger. There were 4 hearts total, and I've just been using them one at a time for projects here and there. I am going to paint this with my Waverly chalk paint in the color Crimson. Next, coming back to our heart with these 3 pieces dried, I'm going to use my sander around the edges to clean up any extra that is hanging over. And I'm also going to use the edge of the sandpaper to get in the little grooves to make sure that we can see those as well. And now that those 3 pieces are all cleaned up, we'll do the same thing with Mod Podge and then spritzing water on the back of our pink strips of paper. You can see I'm also going over the floral pieces with Mod Podge as well. Once those 2 strips have dried and we've cleaned them up with the sander as well, I am going to take this Tim Holtz Distress ink just to give a little added dimension and distressing around the edges. My little sponge wasn't working, so I just picked the pad up and I'm just going around the edges of my heart. This, of course, is an optional step. Then I'm just going to put the hanger with the black beads now back under the staple and tap those down to hold that in place. Then taking just a little bit of hot glue around the back of our love heart here, we're just going to stick that down right in the center of our shiplap heart. I love this. It's so cute, and you can do this in so many different color schemes. We're going to top this off with a little black and white gingham ribbon bow. This ribbon is from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just going to use this to cover up the hanger hole at the top of the heart. I'm not going to worry about that one at the bottom. If it bothers you, fill it in with hot glue before you paint your heart. And here's our finished project for today. I hope you enjoyed this and it inspires you to get out and create today. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again real soon. Here are some other videos you can watch in the meantime. Take care.